let's try to tackle this problem with a triangle. So what we're given here, we're given 4 units of useful information, and I've already made a drawing. I've labeled height, the altitude with h, in order to avoid confusion with area, which is going to be labeled with capital A. And I've labeled base with B. If you get this problem on an exam, you're probably going to be expected to remember the formula that area is 1/2 base times height. Or if you get lucky, it's going to be on reference pack. You are going to see very soon why I wrote this formula twice. But what do we start with? Well, let's start with finding the value for the base, because we have the numerical value for the area, we have the numerical value for the height. The base is easy to find, therefore. A is 81 square centimeters per minute, and this equals 1/2 times base times height, which is 7.5 centimeters, as it is underlined on the left. Solving for B, I'm going to need the drawing calculations. We get 21.6 centimeters. Why did I write this twice then? Well, there is one thing we haven't used in the problem, and we're not explicitly stated what to do with it, and this is the rate of change of the area. We want to get an expression for it, because if we have a number and we get an expression, we're probably going to be able to use it. So because these bad guys B and H are changing, neither of them is constant, we cannot just pull one of them out and take a derivative of the other when we're taking the derivative of the area. We're going to have to use the product rule. Let's do it. Yeah, sad things happen. dA over dt, rate of change of the area, equals 1/2 times dh whole prime, therefore 1/2 b prime h plus dh prime by the product rule. Didn't forget the product rule, right? We also know that this stuff happens to equal 4.5 squared centimeters per minute. Let's multiply both parts of this equation. We're excluding this one. It's not there anymore. We don't need it. Bye. See ya. Let's multiply this all by 2. B prime h plus bh prime equals 4.5 times 2, and that's just 9. What do we do next? Well, next we already have everything. We have the value for the height. It's in the problem. We have the derivative of the height. It's also in the problem. And we've just found b. So we just solve for b prime times 7.5 centimeters here. From here, I mean. Plus 21.6 centimeters here times 1 centimeter per minute from there. Still equals 9. Let's do the calculations. Get that b prime equals negative 1.68 centimeters per minute. It's centimeters and not centimeters squared because this is length, not area. And the fact that it's negative means that the base is just shrinking. You shouldn't be alerted about it. The thing that should alert you more is the fact that the number is not very beautiful, but that's just an answer for the problem, I guess. This time it's okay. So v prime is negative 1.68 centimeters per minute. Let's check that this is what they were asking for. At what rate is the base of the triangle changing? Yes, that's what they needed. So I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, you're welcome to text me in private. See ya.